Hi friends, this is a quick look at the Silky Gomboy. This is the 40 millimeter Gomboy. I love these folding saws. I'm going to have to zoom out here a little bit to get this all in here. It's got a nice reach considering how small it packs down. And these blades, you can tell, are cut very finely, so it has a nice thin kerf, but does a great job. Obviously, I haven't cleaned mine in a while, but let me demonstrate for you a little bit. Now, these Japanese saws, I think all the ones I've experienced are all pull cut only, so you don't drive back through. The pressure's all on the draw cut back to you. I find that's easier to control overall, though. So you can see, just for comparison, I was cutting with a multi-tool saw over here. You can see how thin that cut is. So it really just cuts very finely, does a great job. And you'd be surprised how fast you can cut with just pull strokes only. So this also has a weird kind of added feature. You can actually raise it up if you're worried about having your hand down on making contact with whatever it is you're cutting. You can change the angle of the blade to that higher angle. Nice metal lever here to lock it in place with a plastic thumb spot, a little thumb ramp to grab it. You can adjust the action of the saw with the pivot here, and just a flat blade or even a coin probably could get that done. The grip is nice and rubberized. It's got a nice swell out here to kind of assist your hand in keeping its grip as you pull. This is nice, has a nice texture. It's not over the top, just a few dimples there, but enough to make you feel secure even with gloves on. The pivot area is all reinforced with metal. It's not just plastic. So overall length is right at 10.5 inches. And then the blade itself is right at 9.5 inches overall. So it's a great outdoors companion. I love how small it packs down, and I think it does a great job as a woods saw.